I'd like to now show you an external corner. We're going to do a right-hand external corner here. So we've fitted our first panel, that's all the same, all the flashings are the same. For this part you need a short top mounting profile. These are shorter than normal by 30 millimeters. So I've got this side flashing fitted, and it's a different side flashing, as you can see. It follows the top profile. It's made of aluminium because it's a tricky piece of engineering actually. So that's installed. Now we're just going to install this top flashing. I've again put some support for this part of the flashing, so everything should go in quite nicely. Another thing to note is that I've flattened the section of this here, and that's in order just to go under the flashing. The strip of butyl tape is very good here where the flashing is joined together. Again, I'm not going to take the paper off because it's very difficult to get off again. So just slide it sideways into place. I've just put the top corner in here. Sometimes in the real world these flashings might not go together entirely well, so all I've done is bent that out a little bit to allow that flashing to go into place. So that's all good now. So here we have a completed right-hand external corner.